This video will explain how to configure the Oracle Database Connector to connect to an Oracle Autonomous Database Warehouse. Before starting the configuration, it is necessary to download the required jar files and deploy them as a connector library. This slide shows the jar files required for Java 8 and Java 11. Please note the file size is important. File sizes that are significantly smaller may indicate a lower revision of the jar file and the connection may not work properly. For the connection operation, configure the connection URL using the TNS name depicted in the screenshot with the db_low. The next slide will show how to complete the configuration using the Oracle wallet file. In this step, enter the value oracle.net.tns_admin in the key field. Enter the file location on the local atom or shared file system of the molecule where the wallet is located. Note only the file path is required. If the wallet file is compressed, uncompress it first. The last screenshot shows the value for the window file system. The requirements are the same. The compressed file must be uncompressed. The tns_names.ora file contains the connection information required for the connection string. For illustration purposes, the _low service name is used. Once the configuration information has been entered, select the Save button, then select the Test Connection button. Select the atom from the drop-down list and test the connection. If you have followed the steps, you should have a successful connection. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful with explaining how to set up Oracle Database connectors for the Autonomous Data Warehouse system.